Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. Turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth. Now, Josh, this Hurricane Hilary, are we going to see more rain in the future or like in the coming days or coming weeks with this storm for our area?
We'll see a decent chance for more showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow, but I think the bulk of the rain is actually going to fall for today. You can see Hilary just swirling there on the map. It's technically just a remnant low at this point, and we are tracking a big stratiform area of rain, just very light rain this morning, but for Klamath County and Lake County and eastern Siskiyou County, and those will be the areas that will be most impacted throughout the course of today. So we'll go ahead and show you that with Stormcast, and by the time we get to 5 p.m. you can see it's still just going to be Siskiyou, Klamath, and Lake counties. Those will be the main areas in which we'll see some showers and thunderstorms, although we're not completely ruling out some wet weather sneaking into Jackson, Josephine, or even Curry counties, but those chances looking much less compared to the aforementioned areas. And then as we head into Tuesday, here we go once again, more showers and thunderstorms firing up. Siskiyou, Klamath, Lake County, same thing, but you could probably tell that coverage was a lot less compared to what we're expecting for today. So really, once we make it past today, I think the bulk of the tangible impacts from Hilary will be gone. Here are some of the rainfall projections we're expecting through Tuesday night. And again, projections always subject to change, but we can get quite a bit for this time of the year, especially in the Mount Shasta City area where we could have between half an inch to an inch of rain. And as Siskiyou County, pretty drought stricken right now. To the east of the Cascades, we're also dealing with a drought, and that's also where we could get between upwards of maybe 2/10 of an inch to maybe half of an inch of water. So definitely we'll take it. We usually don't get this much water around this time of the year. So for today, in addition to being wetter, we're going to be much cooler. We'll have high temperatures below 70 degrees to the east of the Cascades. We'll be in the 70s and 80s for west side valleys, middle 60s along the coast in Curry County. Winds will be a pretty big deal with this storm system as it passes by, as they'll gust mainly out of the south and southwest between 20 to 40 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being in the Weed area, right at the mouth of the Shasta Valley. We'll also contend with smoke, so dealing with the remnants of a hurricane and smoke and fires at the same time. And the thickest smoke will be in Siskiyou County, especially western Siskiyou County, eastern Curry County, and Josephine and Jackson counties. And then for tonight, the smoke will stay put in the same areas. We'll have the chance for more showers continuing throughout the course of the night, especially for inland areas, but especially for Klamath Lake and Siskiyou counties. Overnight lows are going to resemble what we have for this morning, maybe just a smidge cooler, and we'll start to dry out as we head into, of course, like you saw in Stormcast, less coverage into Tuesday, but even drier into Wednesday, and then the rest of the week looking much more summer-like, which means that not only do we get drier, we do, in fact, get hotter, up around 100 degrees again for the Rogue Valley by the time we get to Thursday. Then temperatures getting back to more seasonal values after that. But because we'll start to get hotter and a bit drier, we're going to go with critical fire weather impacts for Thursday and Friday. Not extreme, definitely not as potent as the setup last week, but still we're going to be keeping a very close eye on it. This is a 7-day forecast for the coast. Small chance for showers today and tomorrow, but I think the bulk of the moisture is going to be for inland spots, especially for south central Siskiyou County, where we could get maybe between a half an inch to an inch of rain in the Mount Shasta City areas over the next 48 hours. And then for the Klamath Basin, quite a bit of rain for this time of the year. Just a soggy next couple of days, very gray, pretty cool for this time of the year, but the rest of the week is looking pretty warm and pretty dry with some sunshine. But obviously we're probably going to have to contend with the smoke. The same thing for the Cascades and Siskiyous. And then for the Rogue Valley, the better chance for showers and thunderstorms will be for today as opposed to tomorrow. And then the rest of the forecast looking pretty dry for us after that.